release some dopamine, dopamine.
I go on vlog or something there right now, so boy, I'm about to pull off a prank on my bro. Yes, I'm gonna tell my bro alongside his beautiful wife right here that she's 1 month pregnant with his child. So here's Roche. Say hi.
1 month. I don't think you can see much in 1 month though.
Oh, okay. What, 2 months? 2 months?
No, looks like.
What? How long you been? What we gonna tell him?
I don't know. Just be like.
What?
Just it. Just it. You don't have to say a date. You can be like. This
What?
is it.
Alright. Okay. So, alright. See? There she is. Right there, brother. Oh, God. I'm excited to see his reaction right now. So, alright, guys. So, here's the pic. We just took Roche poking her stomach out. You want to tell him anything? Because he's probably going to be pissed at the both of us. Yo, Robert, you know you my bro, right? I'm sorry, bro. Yo. Alright, guys, let me show you the pic. What you're about to send right now. I'm going to prank him. Oh, my God. Here's the pic. Roche poke her tummy out. And basically, I'm going to send that to him and say, whoa, make up some stories and stuff like that. And oh my God. All right, guys, here we go.
Oh, you're not gonna say too much. You're just gonna be like, yo.
Yo, what?
It'll be like, you know, like when the words up here, but you're not like.
Yeah.
When they come here.
Yeah.
So you just have to be like. Yo.
PG-13. Take that away, girl. Take that away.
You gotta be like, yo.
Yeah, yeah.
Feel it, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Hide that paper.
oh.
Bruh.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Okay, here we go. Gonna send that to him.
Okay. Yeah, definitely heard that. Yeah, now, definitely. Oh my god.
Oh God. Alright, guys, so here we are. Gonna message him right now and tell him that I have something to tell him.
Wonder about, I don't know, to be like. you know when you know, this is how you are. Let me tell you how you are. When you have something serious to talk to somebody about, you go. You know what I mean? So keep that vibe and just be like, you don't, if you get specific and whatever, you don't usually act like that, then it's just obvious now. So tell me the minute it comes through. You can see when he reads it, right?
Yeah. See, I just send it to him there.
Tell me when he reads it, and then I'm gonna see if something happened with mine.
Alright, I'm gonna hang up and call him and tell him that, bro.
No, why?
No, that's it. I'm gonna like, yo, bro. Yeah, he just read it. He just read it. There, just read it.
Okay, I don't know what to do now.
I tell him to call you.
Wait, what?
I tell him to call. I'm gonna tell him to call you. Yo, he's typing. He's typing. He's typing right now. He's typing. I don't believe that. He's like, I don't believe that. And he's laughing. What should I tell him?
Don't tell him anything is what it is. I don't know. Look, when you're serious, you don't really do anything. You just let it be. I don't know. Well, what are you saying? Because you're going to make this look like a prank now for real. Okay.
I said to him that she just told me we've been talking about it all day. See, read.
Wait. I can't really see it.
She probably joking or it's someone else.
Okay, yes, it would be, because, yeah, it's been a year. Then, okay, it's gonna get, ooh, okay. Yeah, it's been a year, so yeah, you know, it's hilarious. This is funny.
I'm gonna tell him to call you.
No, I don't want, you know, it's your prank. It's your prank. I'm just a pawn in it.
I just told her to call you.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Alright, we're good. So I'm good fun right now.
I just told him to call you. He's like, God believe you, bro. He's like, God believe you. She hasn't spoken.
This is why I don't want to be around you when I'm on the phone.
She hasn't spoken to him. He's like you're mad at him and you don't want to talk to him.
That's hilarious.
Yo, he's typing. He's typing. He's typing.
Did you tell us to call me for a while?
Yes, I did. Yeah, he's typing. He's typing.
Okay. It's weird, like,
So guys, them kind of vex with one another, but them still love one another. But it's a prank. It's a prank.
Wait, what?
So, yo, he's typing non-stop. Is it gonna work? Oh yeah, let's see. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hang up and I'm gonna video call him. Alright, I'll call you back. He's calling? He's messaging you?
Do you have something to tell me?
Yeah. Go along with it. Go. Don't let me down, girl. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna say not right now.
What?
I'm gonna say not right now.
Do you think that will let it prolong longer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, he's gonna be so pissed, guys. Oh my God, guys. Robert, you know you my bro, outlaw. But we had to prank you. Oh yeah. You message him?
Yeah.
What is he saying?
I don't know, it's good. It's so hard.
Oh my God. Robert, don't hate me, please. It was Robert. It was Rochelle's fault. It's her idea. It's not me. And she tell me to do it.
Okay, I said not right now, and he said, "Are you sure?" And I said,
I don't know. Just say I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say. Oh, then he goes, "I don't know what's going on, but I'm hearing some things and just wants to know."
Yo, bro, you know you my brother, right? Oh my God.
I feel like talking. I don't know what you're hearing. I don't feel like talking. I don't know what you're hearing. What are you hearing? What are you hearing? Something. I hear nothing. Nobody. You can't hear voices that somebody's texting you. Don't talk. You're not hearing nothing.
Robert, you know you my bro, right? It's Russia tell me to do it. Or she tell me. What is he saying now? Oh my god.
Don't let me look crazy on your vlog thing.
It's all natural, guys. We just at home. We just finished working. Well, she finished, just left the gym. Well, working out at home, I should say. And I just finished working out at home. So, yeah. Yeah. So what is he saying now?
Nothing. Ooh, he's texting.
You gonna get it now, Suki, Suki. Yo, God knows, Star. Why would it?
He said, I'm not talking about the situation we're going through. Tess said I should message you. Said I should message you. Did you tell him to message me?
Yes, I did.
Ooh.
He just messaged me. Sure, she not joking. I'm just gonna ignore it.
I'm tired of smiling. I just got doing a workout.
Just tell him that you're pregnant.
Okay.
Tell him that.
Wait, what? Tell him what?
Tell him that you're pregnant.
No, I'm.
Yes, that's the whole point of the video.
Okay.
Yo, why y'all playing with my bro, yo? Yo, she tell me to do it, Robert. Joke. It was my fault. It was my idea, bro. See, she laugh. Eva!
What?
Woo? Video call? What is this? What did he say?
He said real talk. He said real talk.
Say real talk.
Then he's gonna be like, God believe me, I bet. Look, he's gonna be like, God believe me. Oh, he's still tight. He's still texting.
Yeah, keep it limited. Oh my god.
What the heck? This is funny. It's just gonna work because my parents keep going in and out.
Yo, Robert, we sorry, bro. But sorry. I just gotta prank your black ass. Really? Really, Rashid?
He said, God believe you, right?
Just give him a straight face. Just say, bro. Just say. Just give him a straight face.
A straight face emoji.
Yeah, a straight face and a sigh. And just leave it.
That's fake. That's like not saying it.
Alright. Don't say anything then. Just leave it. Leave it.
I'm gonna real talk. Real talk.
Oh my god.
But the thing is, I didn't say God believe me.
No, don't swear. Don't swear.
I know, but it's like a thing.
No, you know, like act like when you're not in your talking mood and you're just saying words and blow it off. You know when you females in not in your talking mood and you're like, hey,
Hey, listen. It's been like over a year, right?
yeah, we can hear.
Listen, he goes, is it yours? Yeah, so what should I say? He said, is it yours?
Yes.
Should I say yes?
Yes.
Or should I say I don't know?
No, you mad? Yes, they say I don't know. I don't know with a sad face. I think it's yours. Oh my god. Yo, He just tried to call? Oh, shucks. Oh, snap.
Ooh, that's the third time. That's the third time. That's the third time. That's the third time. Let me send a text. 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 I'm gonna say I don't know. I don't.
And tell him that you don't want to really talk because your emotions are all over the place. So you'll understand that.
Which is so real bad. Okay, so I don't know. I'm just gonna screenshot this. You can put this on your blog through a screenshot.
Yeah. Yeah. Rob, we sorry, dog. It's not. I'm sorry, you my friend. Damn, dog, we crew. We crew criminals. Yeah. Yo, we just tried to call 3 times, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, you're cruel, bruh.
Oh shit, I'm so sad.
What did he just say?
He's like, please, Rush, please. And then and nothing, he's texted. So, okay, this happened. So he said, is it words? And I was like, I don't know. And then he's like, Rush, please, just speak to me. Can you answer the phone? So I goes, my emotions are all over the place. And he's like, please, Rush, please. And then he's texting stuff. And he's like, then he goes, I understand you're going through a lot. And I know the cause of most of that. But can we just talk? Okay, fine. I don't feel like talking. So I'm just gonna break the prank thing.
No, tell him to call me. Tell him to call me.
Okay, hold this.
Tell him to call me. Tell him to call me. Tell him to video call me. And then hang up after.
Okay, I'm gonna say I have something to show you. Okay, I said call Taz, just for you call him. I have something to show you.
Alright, yeah. Tell him about the ultrasound. Yeah, tell him that, like the ultrasound.
No, that's too much.
Yes. Do it.
No, then why wouldn't I show him?
Because you're going through your emotions.
No, that's so stupid.
Tell him that you sent me a picture of the ultrasound.
No, I don't. Can you do that in 1 month? I don't know.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, tell him to call me. And then hang up the phone.
I gotta. It's weird when you lie. You gotta like.
It's a prank. It's not a lie. Right, God? It's a prank, right? No, God. It's not a lie. It's a prank. You did it? Did you read it? Russia, you a bad mother. Russia, you a bad mother.
Hold on, so you can't. His phone is busy. Hold on, okay. Just call him.
Tell me when he reads it and hang up.
Okay, let me hang up now.
Alright.
He said his phone is.
Yeah, I'm calling him now, guys. Bro, it's a prank. Yo, bro. He's gonna be so freaking pissed. Yo, guys, I think he will go vex with me. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Guess what, bro? It's a prank. Damn, bro. Yo, bro, don't worry yourself, dog. We're just trying to have some fun. I know you're gonna be like pissed at me right now. Yeah, me know. That's how I end it now. Well, he said, don't stress out, bro. Don't stress out. You're good, man. Just... Alright, yo, me lock off the camera. Yo. Yo, we got you right there, right, bro? For a while, we got you. We got you for a while, bro. Please say Team Sinus is the best in the league. Yo, don't worry, bro. Everything good, man. Just says Team Sinus, we the best in the league. Team Sinus is the best in the league. Say it, bro. Don't leave me hanging. Say Team Sinus, we the best in the league. Hey! Yo, damn. Yo, man, serious here. He's like, yo, bro, I run those baby jokes, man. Especially when he come on to my Roche, bro. Yo, I run those jokes, bro. He might beat me up. Yo, I'm serious as hell. Yo, you stress the man out. You stress the nigga out.
It's what it is.
He's trying to call me back.
It's what it is.
Yo, but he started to laugh after. He started to laugh. And like, bro, tell me, Team Sinus, we the best in the league. He's like, oh, God. But he was like, yo, he figured it was a prank.
Whatever.
I don't think he knew it was a prank. He thought.
Yeah, I don't know.
But we got him, right?
Maybe he just really wanted to talk to me, so.
Yo, Vlog World, they need to get over their relationship thingy. Yeah, it's just a part of the journey. Okay, they're just in them whatever situation now, but they still love each other, okay? So anyway. Anyway. Yo, say Team Sinus, we the best in the league. Vlog World, we did it. More pranks to come soon. Nothing can stop us, cause God will rock. Whoop.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them kind of curry. Lick up on the table where the cup, they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get tired, make me